All right, here we go. So this is gonna be a quick tutorial about wallet poisoning. I'm gonna keep it very brief. I'm gonna be very vague on certain things for obvious reasons, but I'm gonna pretty much show you exactly how to set up wallet poisoning, whether it's manual or whether it's using an automated bot. There's a lot of automated bots. There's a lot of manual bots. You can literally just do this just straight up manual. But I'm going to explain to you why there's people that use the automated bots and why there's people that use manual bots and why there's people that just straight up just raw dog it and do everything one by one and the difference between all three. So I'm going to try to make this as quick as I can, as clear as I can. If you understand, you understand. If you don't, watch this a million times. It's just going to be a quick explanation. So here we go. All right. So this is what you're looking at on the screen. It says here transferred $49,999,950, which is pretty much $1 million, right? So now you're asking yourself, what is this? This is somebody that has gotten $50 million wallet poisoned and essentially just taken from them, right? When I say taken, they basically sent money to the wrong address thinking that it was theirs, right? So here's the X post. When this initially happened, it says victim lost $50 million to address poisoning. And then this is what you were looking at on the Etherscan. And yeah, so essentially what happened is this is the victim's address right here. This is the theft address right here. And this is another theft address. And this is another theft address. So pretty much what happened to this guy is he went and sent $50 million to a lookalike wallet. That's pretty much what wallet poisoning is when somebody creates a vanity address and they dust your wallet. In this instance, the dusting was $50. So now look at this. Let me see here. Let me refresh this. Boom. So look at this. $50, right? This person got dusted with $50. And shortly after, that was his test transaction, he sent $50 million to this address. Now, what happens when we click on this address? Look at this. This is the message that you get. It says, to the hacker. This is on the blockchain, on Etherscan. It says, we have officially filed a criminal case with the assistance of law enforcement, cybersecurity, blah, blah, blah. Pretty much they're saying that your wallets are under surveillance. This is your final opportunity, blah, blah, blah. And what's funny is that they tell this guy, you may retain USD $1 million as a white hat bounty for identifying the vulnerability. But now, mind you, the vulnerability is that there's a fucking dumbass that manually sent $50 million to a vanity address thinking that it was his other address, which is the dumbest shit ever. So obviously this person did not get his $50 million back. But just so you guys can see the extent that these people are willing to go through to get their money back. I mean, this is an error that they made. They mistakenly sent money to the wrong address. I mean, it's at this point, it's your fault. Is it really a crime at that point? So they're like, hey, you may contact us here, blah, 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 blah. But, you know, do you think they really got that $50 million back? No, they didn't. So now you would think to yourself, how did this person find a wallet like this and wallet poison them for this crazy ass amount, right? Now this person is up literally fucking $50 million. They laundered the money. They cleaned it through Monero. They fucking did all types of shit through probably Tornado Cash, and they completely cleaned the money. And they're living somewhere on the coast of fucking whatever, Costa Rica or whatever, just living a life. You got $50 million, right? So there you go. That's a transaction right there. So essentially what this person did was he used a wallet poisoning bot, right? And one of the best wallet poisoning bots, now there's many, is PotentX. And essentially how PotentX works is it dusts whales, finds the whales, it creates the vanity addresses, and it does all of that for you on a mass level, right? So I'm going to show you pretty much how to set this up in an easy way and with the best configuration, right? So you're going to tap start. They offer a 7-day free trial. And what you're going to do is you're going to enter the license. So there's a license. There's a, what is it? 8-9 digit number, whatever, how many digit number it is. And this is going to be the license key. I'm going to enter it right now so that you guys can see. Boom. I'm trying to do this as fast as I can just for the sake of the video. Boom, boom, Okay. Enter. Okay, yeah, I see what I did wrong. I got to put the start. So I got to put start. And then I got to put the key right next to it. Boom. Easy. License verified. So now it's going to ask you to do two things, right? Those two things are either you're going to use the PotentX funded wallet, which means that PotentX is going to allow you to use their pooled funds to fund the dusting, vanity creation, and the compute fees to allow the bot to run, or you can fund it yourself by importing your own private key. Most people, when they never use the protocol for the first time or anything, they're not going to trust putting their private keys in it. So they're going to opt in for using the PotentX funded source wallet. So that's what I just did. There's a check mark right there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my ETH receiver address. Now, I'm going to go here. I'm going to put the public address of my Ethereum, because this is an Ethereum wallet poisoning bot. Right, so just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna just copy. I'm gonna copy this wallet address, just random address, just for the sake of example purposes. Boom, I'm gonna enter that in there, right? So now the source wallet is selected, which is the PotentX source wallet. The receiver wallet is selected. Now the receiver wallet is going to be if you get a hit, that's where your money will go, right? You're not entering a private key here where it says receiver. You're entering the public address, right? So you're going to enter the public address of the receiver wallet, and they have a speed boost option right here. Let's just go hover over it, show you what it is. Pretty much what this is going to do is exactly as it says. If you have some sense, you can read it and figure that out for yourself. It's going to pretty much, the amount of wallets that it's going to dust, it's going to increase per day. So instead of it dusting 1,500 wallets a day, it's going to dust fucking 12,000 wallets a day, whatever, right? And that costs 0.3 Sol, which is about $20 or whatever. But PotentX, they occasionally drop speed boost codes for free. So if you're lucky enough to catch that, then there you go. That's your advantage. Here is your performance stats. It's going to give you 8-hour reports every single day. Here it shows your uptime, how long you've been up. It shows, your speed, your standard. If you got a boost, then it's going to show boost. Your daily rate, how many wallets it's going to dust, and your hit odds. Now, obviously, the longer that you keep this running, and, of course, if you have a speed boost, it's going to increase your chances of getting a hit, but it's not necessary. You don't have to spend any money on a speed boost, especially, if you get a chance to get one for free. So here it's going to show you the amount of wallets that is scanned per day, EOAS per day, vanities that have been created, the amount of wallets that have been dusted. If you drain, it's going to show here pending, reversed, and if there's any errors. So what you're going to do, once you got the source wallet and the receiver wallet selected, you're going to press start engine. Now what this is going to do, once it says engine running, it's not immediately going to, of course, get to work. It's going to you're going to let it do its thing, right? So keep on checking your performance stats. You go to operation log, you see if, here it says log empty, because obviously we just started the motherfucker, right? And there's your configuration. Now, the ideal thing to do with this is to just keep it as it is, but change this. Your CPU, change it to 8 cores, right? Turn off central exchanges, turn off contracts, and keep it just like that. That's the ideal configuration. And then here they have the support. You can talk to support. There's a support button. You can talk to support. And then there's an affiliate program. So essentially what you would do is you tap on affiliate program. And here, for instance, this is my affiliates. I've invited 281 people. I've gotten paid 900 Sol so far. So, and it says here pending payout, and it shows how many referrals are left for you to get your next batch of payment. So for every 30 people that you invite, you get 5.5 Sol, and you get paid that instantly. You go here, you tap on get my referral link, and they even have affiliate support. So you tap on that, you chat with them, and yeah, so that's pretty much that. Now, if you do get a hit and you are using the PotentX wallet, you're gonna have to pay a release fee, obviously, because you did not use your own and you did not fund your own dusting, vanity creation, and compute fee. But it's very minimal. Like, say for instance that you get a fucking hit for 200 grand, 300 grand, whatever. You know, you're going to probably pay a couple $100 because, you know, this costs. And you're not just going to get magic internet money just falling out the sky into your lap. So either way, whether you use your own source wallet or whether you use the PotentX source wallet, you know, that's just what it is. You're going to have to pay to play pretty much. So, yeah, you just never know. You might get a hit. You might not. Some people get a hit in 2 days, 3 days. Some people never get a hit. It just depends on you, your luck, and how favored, you know, by God are you. And but the main thing that you guys got to understand is that, you know, you're not really going to make money trenching. This is not 2024, 2025. If you buy meme coins on Pump Fund, you're going to get cooked. The best way to make money these days, 2026, is to literally just fucking take it. I mean, you're not necessarily taking it. Motherfuckers are just sending you this. They're sending you millions of dollars. I mean, you know, is it my fault that you sent money to the wrong address? I mean, you should have checked every single character, right? I mean, whose fault is it here, really? You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, that's as much of an explanation I can give in 17 minutes. I just had to give you guys something so that you guys can, you know, kind of just see visually. I mean, this is a real thing. It happens every single day. Do all the research that you want. So, yeah, with that being said, there's a guide also. I'll be attaching the guide with this video. And, yeah, I mean, there's so much money you can make with this, whether it's you actually doing the wallet poisoning or whether it's you fucking doing the affiliate program. I mean, look at this shit. I literally got fucking 900 sold from fucking, look at this, just from inviting people. 907 sold literally just from inviting people. Do you know how much 900 sold is? Right now, that's like fucking, what, like 75,000 United States dollars? I mean, come on, easy. But yeah, that's all I got to say. Good luck.